Basting ribs made easy, a flavorful journey in cooking. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic: basting the ribs. This phrase is not just about cooking, but it's also a great example of how English incorporates specific terms for different actions. Let's explore this together and make your English learning as flavorful as a well-cooked meal. Firstly, let's break down the phrase. Basting refers to the cooking process where you spoon or brush liquids over food, typically meat, to add flavor and prevent it from drying out during cooking. And ribs are a type of meat cut from the rib section of animals, usually pork or beef, known for their tenderness and flavor when cooked properly. So, when someone says, baste the ribs, they mean to moisten the ribs with sauce or marinade during cooking. Basting is not just a cooking action, it's a crucial technique for flavorful and juicy meat. When you baste ribs, you're adding layers of flavor and helping to create a delicious crust on the outside while keeping the inside moist and tender. This section will show the practical application of basting, giving real-life context to the phrase. Baste the ribs isn't just about cooking. It's also a part of cultural cuisine, especially in American barbecue traditions. Here, we'll explore how this phrase fits into larger cultural contexts and how it's used in everyday language, making it a great example for English learners to understand cultural nuances. And that's a wrap on basting the ribs. I hope this video has added some flavor to your English learning journey. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It gets better with practice and a little bit of spice. Stay tuned for more English language explorations, and happy learning!